This video we will learn how to overlay a picture on a video in Capcut. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to his channel. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Capcut, then tap on new project. So I have already a project here, so I am tapping on this. Now I have added the project, added the video here. So now it's time to add overlay. So simply tap on the overlay tool below. Now tap on add overlay. Now when you tap on add overlay, you will come to videos section. Tap on photos here. Now add your photo here and tap on the add button below. Now your photo has been added to your video. Now you can maximize its size or minimize it with your two fingers by dragging it. And you can also increase or decrease its duration from here. So that's it. I hope you will like this video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.